While the world is preparing for the future of additive manufacturing, we're living it. We don't trade in potential. We trade in results. We have the facilities, the network, and the logistics to help you produce en masse and scale today, because time waits for no one. We're a trusted production partner of the world's top brands. We re-engineer, rethink, and reimagine. No part is too complex, no goal is too lofty, and no standard is too high. We're agile in our approach and unrelenting in our drive. We have 100 years worth of metalworking expertise. And we have 20 years of experience in the world's newest manufacturing movement. We're Burloak, and we're ready to help you scale.